Hi, you guys. This is Internet coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today to show you what's next on the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. So I got it in the mail, you guys. And here it is. Let me take it out of the package to let you guys see what our next adventure is, right? Okay, so here it is right here, and they are called colorful catch-alls. Okay, so one of the cool things about this is that we are working with something. We are working with zippers. Yay! Okay, so you guys, if you have worked with zippers in your crochet projects, I would love to know. So leave me a comment. Let me know, how was that for you? How did you feel putting this zipper into something that you made? I would love to know. Okay, you guys, I wanted to come on and just show you what our next adventure is going to be, what we're going to be talking about. And this is we got like cotton, 100% cotton yarn. And we have all of these. We got this color right here, this pink. And then we have this beautiful blue color. And we have this, it's kind of like a turquoise color. So nice. And then we have this beautiful, it's kind of like yellow gold, like a yellowish color. It's showing yellow up on the camera, but it's like yellow. And then we have this color right here. It's like more of a fuchsia. So pretty, right? And then we have this beautiful orange. I think secretly orange is one of my favorite colors. I just don't know because I really gravitate to orange. So this is the orange. And we have 3 zippers because on the pattern, you guys, it shows that we're going to be making 3 bags. And we're going to talk about it after I make this up. So we got this zipper here. It's like a teal, yeah, like a teal zipper. And then we have, let's get it out. Then we have, it's, I want to say a pink. It's like a pink zipper. And then we have this blue one here. And so they're all different sizes, the zippers. So I am really looking forward to this, you guys. We got some new things that we're going to be working on. Oh, my word. And we can talk about, and we have beautiful colors. This is like the color of the rainbows right here, right? So we should have fun talking about that. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you our venture, what we're having. And I will see you guys when I finish working them up so we can talk about it, you guys. And remember, when you guys working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you on the next video. Bye.